Tignan mo yung ano ha.
The power of pizza.
Ayun na, Goldie.
Taray. Papasikat ka pa.
Oy. Anong pangalan mo? Oo.
Haris.
Ikaw nga. Oy, pare, abulin mo ako.
Anong pinakamaliit na ibon?
Yan, ito naman yung last.
Mamaya. Kasi natatuwa. Tingin ka, bilis video.
Siyempre, nabubutas.
Ba't po may kuweba? Yan daw yung bahay nila. Oo nga naman, kasi nga may kuweba, di ba?
Wala, kakita siya.
Tatlong itlog. Hindi sa'yo. Manino. How much is the dog in the window?
Good afternoon, madam, and welcome to Eat Bulaga. Welcome back to the Philippines.
So good to be here. Thank you.
Yes.
It is such an honor to meet you, Patty. We grew up listening to your songs.
How
In fact,
sweet.
That's one of our favorites.
So sweet.
Yeah, we always sing that here in the show. How much is a doggy in the window?
Did you ever find out?